Hi. Ever heard of inflammation, brain fog, joint pain, digestive problems, skin issues? Ever suffered from any of those? Do you know it might be related to the food you're eating, even if it's good food? Your body's immune system could be reacting in such a way that it causes these issues. Personally, I have suffered from skin issues, mysterious rashes that no cream would take care of, that rashes wouldn't go away, rashes that were such a nuisance and frustrating to me because I couldn't heal them. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. At first I thought it was nightshades. You know, that category of food that include potatoes, tomatoes, and eggplant. They have a certain ingredient. I thought maybe that was what was irritating my skin. I stopped eating them for almost up to a year, but I still had those skin issues. It was really frustrating, and I didn't want to put a steroid cream on it. I wanted to get to the root of the matter, the root of the cause, and clean it up with food, because I believe food is medicine. That's me. That's what I'm all about. That's what this video is about. I discovered a company that helps you discover which foods your body has a reaction to. It divides it into 4 categories: no reaction, mild reaction, moderate reaction, and high reaction. It was so exciting to get my first test back. First, you get a kit in the mail, and it's really simple. They explain it really clearly how to get 4 drops of your blood onto a little piece of paper. Mail that back to them after, of course, the blood is dried, and within 5 days online you receive the results. There are 2 sensitivity tests, and I took both of them. The first test I took consisted of analyzing roughly 98 different foods, and what I liked about the test were the foods coincided with the foods that I eat. A lot of fruits and vegetables and grains, nuts, coffee, black tea, oats. So when I got the test back, I was shocked to find out that the foods I ate the most of, because I thought they were good for me, were the ones I had a mild reaction to. I never grew up to be I never grew up as a very highly allergic person. I think these allergies grew over time as my body's ability to process these foods changed, just like everything changes. And our responsibility as maturing people is to listen to what our body says and make adjustments so that we can feel the best that we can, hopefully without medication. So I was totally shocked to find out that the oatmeal that I had been eating for years for breakfast was actually giving me a reaction, right? It's kind of a shocking bit of news when you think, well, oatmeal is so good for you, so easy to digest, gives you long-lasting, even energy. Well, I think because I had eaten it for so long, my body was saying, Roxanne, will you mix it up a bit, please? I can't do any more of this oatmeal. Same with some other items that I really loved. So they recommend stopping the foods for a certain amount of time, and then you can reintroduce them into your body and see if you have a reaction. I stopped the foods for a month, and I'll tell you, the month went really quickly. It wasn't difficult to switch it up. There's a lot of other foods that are delicious to enjoy, and I was actually having a good time trying new foods, eating things that I hadn't eaten for a long time, reincorporating items of foods, food items that I abstained from eating, thinking that they were not good for me. when in actuality, it was what my body was craving. Anyway, I took the second test that they have for food sensitivity, and it offers double the amount of testing of food, double the amount of items that they test. So not only was I retested for the first group, but I was then added, they gave me about another 100 items. Well, the good news, after 1 month, those items that I had an allergic reaction to came down, and I was not as allergic to those items. So in other words, I could start eating the oatmeal again if I wanted to, without getting those skin rashes, those mysterious skin rashes. So I thought that was really good news, and I wanted to share it with you so that you can also take these tests if you so desire, to hopefully eliminate any of those mysterious, annoying body issues like the mind fog, the inflammation, the joint pain, digestive problems. You can clear it up, hopefully, by food. The majority of us can. Let's see. What else can I say about that? Oh, this company has a lot of tests. So I highly recommend you getting onto their website and having a look. Not only at their food sensitivity tests, but the other tests that they offer specifically for women and specifically for men, and then some that are good for everyone. And in the link is also 20% off, which is a nice offer. And you'll get the results back quickly, and you can start to change up your diet to hopefully see results and feel more healthy and vibrant and at peace, knowing that you're doing what's right for your body. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. I love you. God bless you. Bye now.